Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is head to facebook.com and log into your account. Then, click your profile on the top right corner and go to settings or your profile itself. But then go to settings and privacy and then go to settings. Then, click the see more in accounts center. Here you will see your profiles. Click the profile that you want to change name and then click the name option. Here you can now change your name, your first name, you can add a middle name, and the last name of your Facebook account. After all that, you can now review change. You'll have two options for your new name, and then click done. And that's it. That's how you change your name on Facebook.com.